Stock market falls after disappointing Fed comments. It was widely anticipated the Federal Reserve would cut the Fed funds rate by 1/4 point to a target range of 4.25% to 4.5%. While the Fed did follow through on those expectations and lowered the rate back to the level where it was in December 2022, it was the projection for 2025 that really moved stocks lower. The Fed indicated it would probably only lower rates twice in 2025. This projection is based on the dot plot, which is a matrix of individual members' future rate expectations. I gotta say, personally, I'm not a fan of the dot plot, as Fed expectations have been wildly off in the last few years, and the latest dot plot cuts in half the committee's intention when the plot was last updated in September. So again, a lot of variability there. I do believe it is just too hard to predict out what inflation will be for the longer term, even for a lot of these prestigious economists. What that then does is it makes it difficult to get a gauge on where interest rates will be over the next few years. Given the current data, I can see why the Fed wants to be patient. There's been a lot of strong economic data out there, but the problem, as we all know, is data can change. If inflation does start to decelerate further next year, it is absolutely possible the Fed cuts maybe 4 times instead of the current estimate of 2 cuts. The main takeaway that I have from this meeting is the Fed is not on an aggressive rate cut cycle, and they are going to be data dependent. Ultimately, the market did not like what Powell said, and stocks fell greatly during his press conference. This led to another down day for the Dow Jones, which marked the 10th straight losing day. This is the longest losing streak since 1974, when the Dow fell 11 days straight. I do believe with the excessive valuations in the stock market, there will be continued volatility, but I do see this as an overreaction to the Fed comments, and we still see some great upside for several companies in next year's stock market. I'm Chase Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.